Today on Fish. I made this introduction a while ago. No more saved. It was on the cloud of Filmora. It ain't there anymore. I gotta go look for the old video. I know it's like 4 or 5 photos and they just go like this across. And then I got my name coming in. And yeah, not that hard to do. It'll take me about 10 minutes to get it done. I see these videos, meaning I watch them, and yeah, and they're kind of like another person's video, how they tell you how they have this and that, and how they like this over that, and that over this. It's kind of like, you know, everybody's trying to tell you their version. I still like to see a video of somebody showing actually the questions I have to ask, and I haven't heard something yet. Another thing is like the Insta360 Go Ultra, just the little pod itself. I know you can hit the start button on the camera, which is a push button, but on the actual camera itself, is that front thing a feather touch button? Because if your fingers are wet or you got gloves, how is that going to work? Well, I'm down by the water, by the bay, see what's happening. Boat's ready to go out again. Now, normally I'm out here when that sun's rose. This is like -0.7. It gives you that awesome shot. You got it. Pure video. Now I'm going to switch on over to regular video mode, which I'm on. Oh, did you just see those birds fly right by? The ducks, the geese. And there you go. What a beautiful morning. Sunrises they are. Well, I do got a lot of work, a lot of things. I got to go meet up with Joe. I got to get things prepped. Maybe do it live. Get some things going. I have been catching up, do what I had to do. And I got 2 more to get on going. I got to clean up. And once I get it done, it's all over till the next one comes. I'm looking more on the water as I start to raise my camera up. Get that sky shot in. And then you can start to see the color, depending on what mode you're on. Well, yeah, man. I gotta ride straight, Fish. Get on going. Yes, indeed. Let's move along. Get on out. I figure I'd come over here, finish my talk. Oh, what a beautiful place it is. Now, when I look into the camera, that's not flickering. And I wish I knew what I was on via the camera than looking at the mic. Green, I'm on AI, noise canceling. Now, you're looking for a microphone for a camera. Well, you got the Boya Platform 4-in-1. Well, you got a Insta360 mic that you can put to other cameras as well, but not this particular one. And you got the DJI mic 2, the Mini, the 3, the DJI 3 Mini, whatever you want to call it. Basically, the DJI mic 3 is no longer the regular DJI mic 2. They combined it into one. So if you got the DJI mic Mini, you might as well just go get the DJI mic Mini. You get it? I got it. Oh yeah, man. Well, the Insta360 standalone mic dedicated to the Insta360 cameras. And of course, the DJI mic dedicated to that camera. If you use it for the Insta360, you're going to have half the bit rate, the sound, the kilohertz, whatever you want to call it, the float, whatever. It is what it is, man. Well, it is that time. You can hear that noise, ruffling car that thinks it's a rice rocket. Well, let me get on out of here, tighten up my helmet, and start my wonderful day. And on that note, I'm Fish. See my stars, see my likes, see my thanks. Have a great day.